Good morning, friends. Today topic is AFF, AFF, RAFF, DG shipping, exit exam question answer part 4. Question number 61. The maximum distance between the center to center of heat detector is 10 meter. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option B false. As per FSS code table 9.1 spacing of heat detector, the maximum floor area per detector meter square is 37 meter square. Maximum distance between the center to center of the detector is 9 meters, not 10 meters. Next, maximum distance away from the bulkhead is 4.5 meters. So the correct answer is for question number 61 B false. Question number 62. Which is the following is specially dedicated to receive shore supplied water? Option A isolating wave, option B international shore connection, option C fire main line, option D none of the above. International shore connection is a point where the international shore coupling is connected. From there, the water from the one ship to another ship or one terminal from the terminal to the ship or dock to the ship is supplied if there is any requirement for fire line to be filled with water. That is, fire main line should be filled with water. So the things such as like extinguishing the fire. So international shore connection is the correct answer for question number 62. Question number 63. The longer an oil fire is permitted to burn, the dash. Option A harder is to extinguish, option B easier to extinguish, option C less chance there is of re-ignition, option D easier it is to control. The correct answer is option A harder is to extinguish. If you are allowing the fire to continuous for a oil fire, the oil will get heated up continuously and liberate the hydrocarbon vapors, and this will enhance to the fire to the greater extent or to the second degree of fire as a second stage, or it can also lead to an explosion. So option A is correct answer for question number 63. Question number 64. Which of the following is not required to be part of vessel fire control plan? Option A ventilation fan location, option B ventilation fan capacity, option C ventilation fan control, option D ventilation dampers. The correct answer is option B ventilation fan capacity. It is not required in the fire plan. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 65. Sprinkler main line is connected to main seawater line. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option A true. Question number 66. A specific document which identifies a chemical and a list is physical property, health hazards, required controls, firefighting procedures, cleanup method, waste disposal, and safe handling is commonly called as dash. Option A hazardous chemical information sheet, option B material safety data sheet MSDS, option C hazardous chemical loading document, option D physical and chemical characteristics document. The correct answer is MSDS. The MSDS consists of 16 chapters. It will all about the MSDS, which is for the particular product which is hazardous in nature chemicals. So oil is also one of the chemical because it's a synthetic compound. So here the correct answer is option B MSDS. Question number 67. What is the primary hazard other than fire damage associated with a class C fire? Option A flashover, option B possibility to reflash, option C electrocution or shock, option D explosion. The correct answer is option C electrocution or shock. Electrocution is nothing but the electric current passed through the person's body. It leads to causing electric shock. This effect is called as electrocution. So the primary hazard for the class C fire is option C, electrocution, because class C fire includes electrical fire. So for question number 67, option C is correct answer. Question number 68. What is the minimum number of portable fire extinguishers that must be carried on ships of 100 GRT and above? Option A 3, option B 5, option C 9, option D 7. The correct answer is option A 3. I also told clear explanation as per the SOLAS, ships of high speed crafts and more should have minimum of 3 portable fire extinguisher. I clearly explained in FPFF video for exit exam questions. For people who is appearing for AFF exams, please check FPFF video also, because some of the questions are repeating from FPFF. So please see my videos of FPFF in consideration. Question number 68, option A is correct answer. But so many websites they mention option B5 is the correct answer. So please check your rule finder also. It was showing question number 68, option A is correct answer. Question number 69. In a mixture of flammable vapor and air, if there is too much vapor and not enough air to support combustion, we say the mixture is option A too rich, option B over concentrated, option C too lean, option D saturated. Here the correct answer is option A too rich. If it is flammable vapor, if it is too much vapor, if it is high concentration of vapor above the UFL, there is no chance of occurring of fire. So that means hydrocarbon vapor is enriched, high, too rich. So option A is correct answer for question number 69. Question number 70. What action should be taken first when discovering a fire on board? Option A, look for the nearest fire extinguisher. Option B, go to a cabin, gather your belongings. Option C, activate a fire alarm. Option D, go to your emergency muster station. Fire, find, inform, restrict, extinguish. So second, you already find the fire, you have to inform, you have to raise the alarm. So question number 70, the correct answer is option C, activate a fire alarm. Question number 71. What class of fire is a smoldering fire of wood, textiles, paper and other carbonaceous? Option A, class A, option B, class B, option C, class C, option D, class D. The correct answer is option A, class A. Class A fire is called a general equipment components will lead to cause fire. So option A, class A is the correct answer for question number 71. Question number 72. If you were put in charge of fire team, what is the minimum number of men wearing BA set that you would allow to enter a smoke-filled compartment? Option A, 2 men. Option B, 1 man. Option C, 3 men. Option D, 4 men. The correct answer is option A, 2 men. But so many websites, so many places it was mentioned 1 man pairing of BA set. As per FSS code, it was saying that at least 2 men should wear a breathing apparatus. So the correct answer is option A, 2 men. Okay, next question 73. For fire to occur, the 3 elements found in the fire triangle must be present. These are heat, air and option A, electricity, option B, spark, option C, flame, option D, fuel. The correct answer is option D, fuel. Fire triangle consists of fuel, air and heat energy. If all 3 are present, then only fire can occur. So option D, fuel is correct answer for question number 73. Question number 74. Which of these fire extinguishing media is preferred to fight a fire in electrical installation? Example, the main switchboard. Option A, powder, that is dry powder. Option B, water fog. Option C, foam. Option D, sprinkler. The correct answer is option A, powder. The preferable method is CO2 extinguisher. If CO2 extinguisher is not available, then you can use a dry powder extinguisher. So option A is correct answer for this question. Question number 75. You are carrying out a search in a smoke-filled compartment wearing breathing air Set, BA set. At what stage should you start to make your way out of the compartment? Option A, wait until the BA set warning whistle sounds. Option B, 15 minutes after starting to use the set, as this leaves you with 5 minutes air left. Option C, regularly check your pressure gauge and note how much air you should use to reach your work area. Start to return when you have this amount left plus a reasonable reserve. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, wait until BA set warning whistle sound. That means normally when the tank level oxygen content inside the BA cylinder, if comes to 20 percentage, that means 30 minutes minimum it should be able to give air supply for a person. That means 20 minutes you can use it for work. This whistle will activate when there is a 10 minutes allowance for air is available inside the cylinder. Once you hear this sound whistle, and also in the pressure gauge also red color mark is made when it comes to 20% pressure of the total pressure capacity of the cylinder is shown in the pressure gauge. Once you see it, you have to evacuate from the place immediately. So for question number 75, option A, wait until the BA set warning whistle sound is the correct answer. Question number 76. Why should a CO2 extinguisher be used with caution in confined area? Option A, it will increase the oxygen pressure in the confined area to a dangerous level. Option B, it may explode when exposed to heat. Option C, it will displace the air and reduce the amount of oxygen available. Option D, it will not operate effectively in confined area. The correct answer is option C, it will displace the air and reduce the amount of oxygen available. The correct answer is option C, because CO2 is heavier than air and CO2 extinguisher work under the principle of smothering. It will cut off the oxygen to the fire. So in confined space, it removes the air from the place. So option C is correct answer for question number 76. Question number 77. On fires involving burning liquid, which of this extinguisher is considered most effective? Option A, foam. Option B, dry powder. Option C, water. Option D, CO2. The correct answer is option A, foam. Foam is the best extinguishing medium. We will use it for oil fires, liquid fires. So question number 77, option A is correct answer. Question number 78. On a fire patrol at night, you see smoke coming from a closed cabin door. What action should you take? Option A, activate the nearest fire alarm button. Advise bridge of the location of the fire. Option B, as most people are sleeping, call a friend, ask him to assist in putting out the fire. Option C, get the nearest fire extinguisher and then open the door to see what the situation is. Option D, take a look inside the cabin to see what the situation is. The correct answer is option A, activate the nearest fire alarm button, advise the bridge of location of the fire. As I said earlier, fire is find, inform, restrict and extinguish. For question number 78, option A is correct answer, informing when you find the fire. Question number 79, onboard fire is done by option A, cooling. Option B, smothering, cutting of oxygen. Option C, starvation, removing a burning material like fuel. Option D, all of the above. The question actually saying is that onboard fire is how you can extinguish, what methods can be done. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Any one of the above also can extinguish the fire. So all of the above is the correct answer for question number 79. Question number 80. To fight a class C fire, electric fire, you should use carbon dioxide or option A, chemical foam. Option B, mechanical foam. Option C, dry chemical. Option D, chemically treated sawdust. The correct answer is option C, dry chemical. Okay friends, the correct answer for question number 80 is C, dry chemical. Okay friends, I think you like my video. If you like, you can like my video, and if you want to subscribe in order to identify the future exit exam questions with a clear explanation and also identify the wrong answer with other videos and other websites answers, you can cross check in my channel. So you can subscribe, and also the any video related to the marine, it will be uploaded in my channel. So you can subscribe if you like, and if you have any doubts, any suggestions, any clarification, you can put it in comment box. If I am wrong in any of the answer, I am always welcome to see your comments in comment box. Correct me if I am wrong in comment box. Thank you.